Hey guys, I'm Moreno and welcome back to my channel. So, welcome to my channel rebrand video. Yes, there is a lot of checkered going on in this video. I'm wearing checkered, a checkered like button up. My shoes are checkered. Where's my phone at? My iPhone case is checkered. My pillows behind me are checkered, and my comforter is checkered. Yeah, I freaking love checkered. And which is why my rebrand is mostly checkered. So, let's go more into detail on why I'm rebranding. So when I first started this YouTube channel, it was for me to like have fun and like vlog and like just make videos I like to see, because I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel and I just really love YouTube as a whole, and like show my journey with show my journey on EVGoGo. The first couple of videos I made, like the first 3 videos I literally made, I loved that, and I was in the point in my life where I was very happy. Everything was moving very fast in my life, and it kept me very like just like at peace and like really happy with myself. But then the past couple of months I became very disconnected with my true self, and I just wasn't happy. And I'm not gonna say it was like I had anxiety and like I got more depressed, but it was leading to that where I wasn't happy with my life and I wasn't making the content I wanted to make and doing the things I wanted to do. Like I just pushed back EVGoGo a little bit and stuff, but now I'm getting back into the grind of things. Why do I keep on doing that? And yeah, I really want to rebrand. So as you can tell from the intro already, I made that intro yellow checkered, and yeah, like I really like yellow, guys, and I really like checkered. I'm making this channel more personal. Before it was like green, like EVGoGo green, which wasn't too personal to me because it was more of me trying to be professional to like fit more EVGoGo on me. But now I'm just like, I'm a 14-year-old teenager, like let me live my life and stuff, and you guys can see me on my journey. So that's why I made everything yellow and checkered. My profile picture, which I'll put right here, is yellow in the background of me. My new banner is yellow checkered now, and my intro you're gonna see is yellow checkered. Like everything that I'm doing is like yellow and checkered, and I'm gonna do more of like editing style that I want to be. Like you'll see that in my vlogs and like videos, like how I would want to be. Like it won't be like, because I used to be like super like editing for hours and hours, which I still do, but like I feel like that like it was no fun in it. Like it was all like sit up straight, you have to be perfect, and now I'm just like So on my channel now, I will still be making the same content, I guess you can say. I still want to do vlogs, I still want to do like just collabs with like friends and family. I still want to do like maybe cooking and baking, just like an assortment of videos. As it goes to uploading schedule, I don't necessarily have an uploading schedule because that gives me anxiety. Like if I don't upload, I'm like, sorry. So I want to upload like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but it's probably not going to happen all the time. It might happen sometimes, might upload more. It just depends on what's going on in my life because I am running a business, you know? So yeah, I hope you guys come on the like ride with me. Like this is going to be a really crazy journey. I hope you like the rebrand, how it's more personal and stuff. I also made a little watermark. I don't know which side it's on me, but I have like, you can like hover over it and it'll click that subscribe button if you aren't already. And yeah, also click that little bell icon to get post notifications when I upload. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and like this aesthetic. And leave a comment down below of videos you want me to make. Also, if you see me in this outfit for other videos, it's because I'm filming other videos today and I'm not gonna change, okay? Okay, shh, don't tell anybody. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!